Today we're trying a couple slices from Prince Street Pizza and Crumbl's new Dubai Chocolate Brownie. This is their spicy spring. Let's get some sauce on that. That's not bad at all. The dough is soft and chewy. The pepperonis are decently crispy, and it's overall got a nice kick to it. 8.3. This one's a vodka slice. The sauce is pretty good, but I've always been a meat guy, so I definitely like the last one better. Nonetheless, I think most people will enjoy this. 7.6. Taking a break from the pizza, let's give this brownie a try. Now, I've been seeing this thing on my For You page all week, so I'm definitely curious, but the price is kind of crazy. It was like 11 bucks. So it's really, really rich, very, very heavy, but I gotta be honest, it's really good. 8.5. This is a margarita slice. Really solid margarita pizza. Crust is nice and crispy. 7.5. Last but not least, we got the old school. It's just their classic pepperoni pizza. To me, it's just a pretty average pepperoni slice. There's nothing about it that really stands out too much, but it's not bad. It gets a 7. So that was my Prince Street Pizza / Crumbl brownie review. The pizza was quite solid and worth a try if you're in the area. The brownie was probably the best item I've had from Crumbl so far. So if you're curious about it, then make sure to go grab one before it leaves.